For the last 100 years in the United States, the medical theater has been completely monopolized and controlled by the MDs and the pharmaceutical companies. The only medicine that you're taught about in school is MD-directed medicine. The only medicine that your insurance pays for is MD-directed medicine. The only medicine that's practiced in your hospitals is MD-directed medicine, and certainly the only medicine they make TV shows about is MD-directed medicine. But MD-directed medicine is just one small piece of the greater pie of medical science. And yet, because the MDs have monopolized the medical theater in this country for 100 years, we equate medicine with MD. And we don't know that there's another way. We don't know that there actually do exist science-based, clinically verified, safe and effective alternatives to MD treatments, delivered by licensed physicians, and they're due. But we're not aware of this in the United States because of 100 years of pharmaceutical company propaganda. And here's how it breaks down. While the MDs have been driving the bus of medicine in the United States, the leading cause of death in the United States is MD-directed medicine. You can source this information at the front page of my website. There's an article called Death by Medicine. It is a 45-page long, extremely well-referenced document. It draws data from the New England Journal of Medicine, the Journal of the American Medical Association, the Lancet, and a number of other very prestigious medical journals. The way that the numbers go, the leading cause of death, 780,000 people a year killed by MD-directed medical treatments. The second leading cause of death, heart disease. 699,000 people a year killed by heart disease. The third leading cause of death, cancer. 550,000 people a year die from cancer. And when I read an obituary and I see that somebody's died from cancer, when I read an obituary and I see that somebody's died from heart disease or from the complications of a simple medical procedure, you know what I think? I think medical failure. But most people give the MDs a pass when they fail because we don't know that there's another way. Because they have monopolized the medical industry, when their therapeutics fail us, when their therapeutics harm us, or even when their therapeutics kill us, we give them a pass. Because we don't know there's another way. You don't know what you don't know. And when it comes to health, the stuff that you don't know will kill you or will heal you. It's like the movie The Matrix. We are all deeply embedded in the matrix of the myth that the MD is the king of medicine and that the therapeutics delivered by the MD are the only valid medical therapeutics. This is why we let them continue to hurt us. This is why when their therapeutics fail us, we give them a pass. We have thrown $1 trillion of money into cancer research. Who have we given it to? The acupuncturists, the chiropractors, the naturopaths, the homeopaths, the Ayurvedic medical practitioners, the traditional Chinese medical practitioners? No. We have given it to the MDs exclusively, and they have failed us. After $1 trillion of research money, cancer rates have remained unchanged. After $25 billion of cholesterol-lowering statin drugs a year, the heart disease rates are unchanged. And yet, while we let the MDs direct our health care, arthritis increases, high blood pressure increases, fibromyalgia increases, Alzheimer's rises from obscurity to the 6th leading cause of death, and 1 out of 80 kids now are born autistic. And we give the MDs a pass. The reason that we have a healthcare crisis in the United States is because we go to the MDs with a chronic health condition. Your MD is completely incapable of helping you recover your health in the face of a chronic health condition. Facts are a stubborn thing. Look around. Everybody in this country is sick. Everybody in this country is suffering. Everybody in this country is beneath the wheel, laboring under the weight of a chronic health condition, taking prescription medicine after prescription medicine, surgery after surgery in order to fix the problem, but the medicines do not fix it. But we don't know there's another way. So we're in pain, we're sick, we're suffering, and we're being taken advantage of by a medical community, a medical monopoly that goes out of its way to tell you the lie that everybody but them is a quack. Everybody but them is a back-of-the-bus, dangerous medical practitioner, even though their therapeutics consistently fail. Just look at the numbers, ladies and gentlemen. Heart disease, cancer, unchanged. Chronic health conditions getting worse and worse. Obesity getting worse and worse. Why? Well, if you listen to your MD, it's your fault. You're too lazy. You have a bad gene. You have the cancer gene. You have the obesity gene, and you do not. The reason that your health is in the crapper is because you have gone to the wrong doctor. You have taken the wrong dog to the hunt. You didn't even know there was another dog in the hunt. You didn't even know you had access to anything but MD-directed medicine, and the MDs like it that way. If you're happy with the current status quo of your health, then God bless you. But if you know in your heart of hearts that there must be a better way, here's the better way. Fire your MD. Fire your MD now and get educated about science-based, clinically verified, non-drug solutions that actually support and promote your body's ability to fix itself. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Dr. Peter Glidden. You don't know what you're missing.